Hello students. Today I will discuss in this very video today I will discuss you about the history chapter 1. History chapter 1. This is the history of class 8th and the chapter name is When and Where. Today the topic of study in this video is an outline of the time frame of these periods. As you know that James Mill divided the not James Mills, but the historian divided the duration period of the history, ancient, modern, and medieval, and modern. This very time period of the history, ancient, medieval, and modern, is not the same in different parts of the world. In the different parts of the world, this period is differently. As for example, it is said that modern period began in Europe in the 16th century, but the same period in India, the 16th century, when the Mughal emperor like Babur, Humayun and Akbar ruled over India, was a part of the medieval period. It means that in the medieval period in India is considered to be the rule of Babur, Humayun and Akbar. All this difference was due to the fact that the speed of progress and civilization was not the same in all parts of the world, but the speed of the civilization and its differences was differently in the different parts of the world or in all parts of the world. Those parts which made progress at much faster pace also saw the rise of modernization much earlier, and those parts which remained behind saw the dawn of the modernization much later. In India, the modern period started in the 18th century, just after the 1707 only. It was when the last great Mughal emperor Aurangzeb breathed his last. It means when Aurangzeb died in India, the modern period began after the death of his only. When Aurangzeb passed, the old edifice began to crumble and it gave place to the new ideas and new institutions. Those who were old powers became weak, and many new powers began to emerge on the political horizon of India. The once mighty Mughals gradually slipped to the background and new powers like Marathas, Sikhs, Rohillas, the Pathans and Rajputs set up. Their mutual conflicts invited various. As you know, that there were always conflicts between these rulers, and the benefit of this very conflict among the rulers were taken by many foreigners as Portuguese, the Dutch, the English and the French. These all powers tried for their supremacy, and they tried to establish their own empire in India. And this was the change during this period, and then the country in the same period at the same time the country made rapid strides towards the modern period. Thus, when the modern period In Europe, the modern period began only in the 16th century, and in India, it began in the 18th century. Remember, students, I am talking about the modern period only. In Europe, the modern period was started in the 16th century, but the same period in India, it means the modern period, began in the 18th century only, rather in the 19th century you can say. What was the impact of the modern period? You must know this very thing. Now in this very heading we will study about the impact of the modern period.